Hello everyone, in today's video we have the newest rugged smartphone from well-known Chinese brand Oukitel WP27. In addition to its stylish camouflage design, it offers outstanding performance thanks to its Helio G99 chipset, which is currently one of the best 4G chipset available. It features a fast and responsive 120Hz display, 12GB of RAM and durable 8500 mAh battery for low-lasting usage, a high-quality night vision camera and many other impressive features. Make sure to watch this Oukitel WP27 video review and find out all the details. So let's start right away with unboxing and find out the contents of this package. We'll put our smartphone aside and see the rest of what we got there. Oukitel WP27 user manual, warranty card. Here is a SIM pin, USB Type-C cable, and finally we have a 33-watt fast charger. Okay, that was contents of this sales package. Now let's take a look at our smartphone. The Oukitel WP27 comes right out of the box with a silicone protective case that will ensure that your smartphone stays like new for a long time. And let me not forget to mention that the WP27 also comes with a factory installed screen protector, which means that you are protected on all sides of the phone. Of course, we will remove the silicone protection in order to better see the beauty of the smartphone. What I have to admit is that I personally really like this WP27. What makes it different from other rugged smartphones is its non-traditional external appearance, which acts more like an ordinary smartphone than the robust one, and the case itself is really impressive in grey camouflage, which contributes to the muscular appearance of this phone. Its district appearance makes it a real eye-catcher, sure to turn heads wherever you go with it. The backside is pleasant to the touch, and rest assured you will never see your fingerprints on it again. On the very side, in a grey metal frame that exudes robustness and strength, we find these metal buttons, very pleasant to the touch. The volume up and down button, and below it is a power button with the finger unlock option. On the opposite side, under the rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistance, there is a SD card tray with 3 available slots. This allows you to use 2 nano SIM cards simultaneously, along with the micro SD card of up to 1GB of capacity. You will also notice a programmable button here, which can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with a long press. Moving to the bottom of the phone, protected by a rubber cap to maintain the IP68 waterproof rating, you will find the USB-C charging port. Right next to it, it is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Right to these ports are the microphone hole. On the back side we have very loud speaker grills, and in this metal module we find a triple set of cameras with a flash and infrared sensor for night photography. Everything seems very nice and well made in its details. In short, the smartphone seems really reliable in every aspect. So for the front, the screen is really large, 6.78-inch FHD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, and in the hole in the upper center part there is a 60MP front camera with the face unlock function, which will be perfect for your selfies and video calls. The content on the screen will flow pleasantly and fluidly. The IPS panel produces rich vibrant colors and a crystal clear content reproduction. While it may not be powerful as the OLED screen, it still provides exceptional quality. The screen is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass protection, which ensures clear visibility in all lighting conditions as well as outside in strong sunlight. And I really have to say that this is one of the brightest screens I use, so if you are often out in the sun, this smartphone with this display is what you need. Excellent large display for viewing documents on demanding websites and multimedia content, especially videos on YouTube. With this large battery on this smartphone, it can last for hours, especially up to 13 hours of video viewing, and as claimed by the manufacturer. The refresh rate of 120Hz is a really feast for tired eyes. The game experience will also be improved by its fast responsible screen. So what can I say, this is a great display for everyday use for everyone. Now let's go from behind. As I said before, it is a beautiful design camera module. We find 3 lenses, a LED flash and an infrared light. 64 megapixel main camera lens that captures videos up to 2K video resolution with voice. There is also a 2 megapixel macro camera lens for those spatial moments and details you want to see better. WP27 is armed with the most powerful infrared night vision function in a 20 megapixel lens with a super clean vision ability, so if you are really like spending the night in the nature camping, this camera could be a great use. Not to mention too much, to get a feel for the camera performance, it is the best to check out the sample photos and videos we took using our Oukitel WP27, so let's take a look. As you can see for yourself, the cameras on the Oukitel WP27 are more than a satisfactory quality for such a robust phone. The phone operates on the already well-known traditionally proven MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. This powerful chipset is built on 6nm technology, offering advanced energy efficiency and currently standing as the fastest 4G chipset in the market. With its octa-core configuration, it strikes a perfect balance between power efficiency and high-performance computing. When it comes to memory, the WP27 sets a new standard with a generous 12GB base RAM that can be upgraded with the additional virtual RAM memory, which will additionally ensure smoothly multitasking and light fast performance. In terms of the storage, the phone offers a generous 256GB and offers UFS 2.2 storage, which can be further expanded up to 1TB by those who require extra space. The phone truly delivers exceptional performance in its price range, surpassing the capabilities of other smartphones in this category. It focuses on multi-day usage, set it apart, offering an unmatched user experience that caters the wide range of needs. For passionate gamers, this phone is something special, and it excels in gaming. It effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, providing top-notch performance even in the highest settings. The powerful hardware combined with the unique 7-dimensional graphene film cooling system effectively manage temperatures to prevent overheating during extended gaming seasons. Furthermore, the smartphone houses the large 8500 mAh battery, guaranteeing hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming pleasure. So if you're a passionate gamer who enjoys playing the latest titles, purchasing this WP27 phone is certainly a wise choice. It's a device worth considering for its exceptional performance and gaming capabilities. You can also expect quick charging, as this huge battery full charges with a 33-watt charger in just 2.5 hours, which is excellent result. The WP27 runs on the latest pure Android 13 operating system, providing a clean and familiar user interface. It comes preloaded with all essential Google applications, ensuring seamless integration with the Google ecosystem. Additionally, it offers useful pre-installed applications such as the System Manager, toolbox that can come handy in the various field situations. Notably, the WP27 supports NFC, making it compatible with the Google Pay for convenient mobile payments. It also features a reliable GPS system with support for 4 satellites. It is even necessary to mention that this smartphone boasts an impressive IP68 and IP69K rating, ensures it resistant to dust and water entry. It can survive submersion in water in depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. However, it has passed the rigorous military standard MIL-STD 810H, which tests its durability in extreme temperatures and environments, further establishing its robustness. In summary, the Oukitel WP27 stands out in terms of design with its camouflage pattern and the back, and impressive 93% screen-to-body ratio on the front despite the weight of 328 grams and the thickness of 15.3 mm. It maintains excellent durability with IP68, IP69K, L military STD 810H certifications. Notably, it boasts an outstanding 8500 mAh battery that can provide up to 1000 hours of standby, 53 hours of talk time, and approximately 2 days of regular use. When it comes to camera capabilities, the WP27 shines with the night vision sensor, offering a range of up to 20 meters. In the rear Samsung 64-megapixel camera, its hardware is powered by a capable Helio G99 processor paired with 12GB of RAM and fast storage. Running on Android 13, the Oukitel WP27 offers additional features like energy saving mode and customizable functions for extra buttons on the device. Under the hood, it houses a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, an octa-core chip manufactured on a 6nm process with 2 ARM Cortex-R76 processors clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 ARM Cortex-R55 processors reaching up to 2.0 GHz. The inclusion of a Mali G57 GPU ensures smooth gameplay even in the demanding titles. if you are impressed by the unique look, great features and capabilities of this WP27 phone, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of a promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below the video, so hurry up and get your new WP27 today while there is still a chance. And what you think about this camouflage smartphone, let me know in the comment below, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.